Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you something that, really means a lot to people, especially if you are from the United States, and that is a drawing of the two towers. And now the World Trade Center or the Twin Towers, whatever you want to call them, they were very important and, they were tragically taken down in an event. And every September 11th, we like to celebrate that, remember all the people that lost their lives. So in today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a little picture that's just going to, kind of remember today and 9/11 and all those people. So to start off with our picture, I just want to kind of make like a little flag shape down here. So to start right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down. And then it's going to curve up like this. Then starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go down. And then over here, I'm going to draw another line that's just going to go down. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go up. I'm going to curve down, and then I'm going to come back up and meet right here. Now, right here, I just want to draw a line that's just going to curve down like this. And then we're going to make a line that's just going to go up. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve to here. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to repeat this several times. I'm just going to kind of go down and curve up. Do the same thing here. Do one here, and then I'll put one more right here at the bottom. Now, starting right up here, we want to make the Twin Towers. And I'm just going to use a ruler, and I'm just going to use this so I can really make a nice rectangle for this. So I like to just kind of line this up on the side of my paper and then just kind of slowly move it over. I'm going to put the first one right here. And all I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw a line that just goes up. It's going to go over. And then I'm just going to come down to here. Then for the next one, I'm going to do the same thing, just kind of line it up. I'm going to move it over a little bit. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to go up. I'm going to go around. And then we're going to go down here. Then I'm going to just kind of place my ruler up here. I'm going to line it up towards the top. I'm actually going to turn my paper real quick. I'm going to line it up and just kind of bring it down. And I'm just going to make a few little lines across here. The same on each one, so a couple little lines like this. And then I'm just going to make a few little bigger lines right here, just for a little bit of detail on there. And then right up here at the top of one of these, I'm going to just make like a small little antenna towards the top. And I'll put just a little smaller one right next to it. And there you go, guys. There is your drawing of a picture celebrating the World Trade Center. And, this is just a good day on September 11th, just to remember all those people and everyone that lost their lives and everyone that gave their lives to try to save others. So I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.